All right, here we are at our 2007 Bennington Tritoon for sale. We're here on Lake Loudon today. Lake Loudon is a section of the Tennessee River that goes right through downtown Knoxville. We're a little bit west of Knoxville today. We're actually near Fort Loudon Dam. We're at a private dock and residence. And way off in the distance over there is Fort Loudon Dam, to give you an idea where we're at. So this one cannot stay where it is. We would be happy to assist in getting this delivered for you, whether you're taking it somewhere else here on Fort Loudon or Tellico, or any section of the Tennessee River, or if you're needing a hauled somewhere farther than that, need help getting, if you just need help getting it to you, or if you need a trailer, we can help you get a trailer. We've got a couple boat dealers in our area that we work with. We can get you a trailer at our cost, so you can get this one down the road and off to your destination with it. This is a one-owner boat. This was purchased new in 2007 by the current owner. And the model on this is a Bennington 2577 RFS. But as you can see right here near the front, this is 3 pontoons. We've got the aluminum splash guard underneath the deck. It's powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor with 215 hours on it, and 25-inch diameter pontoons also. Go ahead, walk around this side here, get you a shot down this edge of the boat, and then we'll climb in and go through the interior. Now, you won't hear me mention the asking price in the video tours, and that's just because they'll sometimes change until listing is sold. Our website is very easy to navigate. If you'll take the time to open up a new tab or browser and type in www.yournewboat.com, you'll see some orange lettering there. You've made it to our website. Look for the Find Your New Boat button, which will be in the top left-hand corner. Once you click that, that will load all of our inventory and order a price. And all you gotta do is scroll down to get to the 2007 Bennington 2577 RFS Tritoon for sale. Again, we're here on Lake Loudon, part of the Tennessee River today, just south and west of Knoxville, Tennessee. So we've got these 2 recliner seats up here in the front. These recline and they swivel. You've got the armrest on each side, and then you've got a little storage cabinet right next to each of them, where you've got a stainless steel cup holder and a rod holder. That's what this is. That's for your fishing pole. Little courtesy light right here. You got little, I think I've got the key off. You got little 12-volt lights there. This is little LED courtesy lights that's been added as well. And of course, there's a speaker with each one. There's 4 total speakers on the boat, and everything on this one passed function testing. All speakers, horn, nav lights, courtesy lights. There's a little depth and fish finder. That all passed function test. Now, I believe I counted 15 total cup holders. This one's rated for 14, and that's that counts these. This is a pair of, these are removable cup holders, or repositionable. Those are nice because you can just pick them up, put them wherever you want them. Take your drink with you wherever you want to sit in the boat and still have a cup holder nearby. You've also got these 4 cup holders and this little Ottoman. Now this is not mounted down. You can move this anywhere you like it. And we've got a 36-quart Igloo cooler that's down inside of it. I'll move that later. There's an in-floor ski storage locker in the center pontoon that's sitting on top of. Got some storage under these seats. That's a little integrated waste bin. I do want to point out we got a little bit of wear in this seat right here. That may be, I'll do another close skim before I get out of the interior of this one. So oh, yep, that's a piece of dirt. So we always try to show you all the wear and tear we notice, so there's no surprises. Of course, you've got the plastic molded sides for these. Let me move this cup holder so I can show you the inside of here. Got some fenders and life jacket. This is all plastic molded, so there's no wood in there. A little paper towel holder, have a slide around. Basically, every one of these seats will have that storage integrated in their bases. We've got 3 gates, meaning 3 places to get it on and off. That one's on the port side. Of course, your large one's up there near the bow, and then another one back here near the swim ladder. Got a removable lounge table here by your large L bench, L-shaped bench seat. Again, storage under that as well. 2 more cup holders in the middle of that bench. There's a ski tow bar over that Yamaha. We've got a Bimini top overhead. That's just in the storage boot. There's also a mooring cover with this one. All right, here's your helm area. We've got nice wood grain tilt steering wheel. Here's your stereo. This is an Alpine AM FM CD stereo. Again, 4 speakers. And
latest phones supply. And that's B97.
Turn that off. I want to show you this Garmin powers up right here. This is a Garmin 95 depth and fish finder. Now we're out of the water right now. We're actually in a lift where this boat's been stored since it was new. So that's why we're not getting a reading on the readout, and that's reading the air temperature instead of the water temperature. 12-volt power outlet right here by your driver's seat. Another stainless cup holder. I'll go ahead and turn that off. Now you've got a small little instrument cluster here, which is a multi-function gauge, fuel, battery volts, and your drive trim. Large speedometer display, and then here's a tachometer with a built-in digital hour meter. Again, that's 215 hours currently on this engine. That's all freshwater time here on the Tennessee River. Again, functioning horn. Basically everything on this thing worked just like it should. So now those 15 cup holders, that did not include the 3 here on this little removable lounge table, but it did include the 4 on the Ottoman. So we've got a nice little manual sink here, and basically this is a pump. It's gonna be hard for me to show you with one hand, but that's a little hand pump, and that'll give you some water there. This has a 5-gallon freshwater potable water tank that you basically just take with you and refill it. Well, you can refill it at your dock. That's if you want water in there. And then this would be a little paper towel holder. That's designed to just slide right up and hold a paper towels. Whoops, I believe you take that all the way up. That'll kind of lock into position, and then when you're done with it, you just give it a little thrust, slides right back down. Nice large sun lounge on the back of this L-shaped bench, and this folds up, and then we have a large pop-up changing room. So step in here, actually pull this other bracket up. Now let me step back just a little bit. Plenty of room in there. You can put a porta potty in here to extend your afternoons out in the water. It's just some fenders and some poles for the for your mooring cover down there. Now I'm gonna get you a little bit better angle of this. All right, go ahead and lay this down. There we go. You can let that fall on down and then give that a little half twist, and that'll close. So here's that final walk-through gate. These, you just lift them up close to the hinges, and then it slides out of that little mount there. There's your ski tow bar. Again, that's that Yamaha 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor with barely over 200 hours. Got an inline fuel filter. Oops. Right there's your Yamaha fuel water separator. It's got C-Star hydraulic steering and a 35-gallon fuel tank right under here. 35 gallons fuel, 5 gallons of water, and got a nice flap holder back here on the back. That is a 3-step swim boarding ladder. Kind of get you a better look at that outboard ski tow bar. I'll do another walk around of the exterior. Let me go show you that center pontoon storage. And again, this is not mounted. Just get that little slide. Got snap-in carpeting over top of this ski locker, and then this huge in-floor ski locker. Got your throwable down there, anchor, chain, and some rope. Water toys will be excluded on this one. The water toys and personal life vests will be excluded from the cell, and I believe that's the only area of the vinyl that I've noticed. Another small little area right over here as well, and that's probably just from pulling up to get in and out of that waste bin. All the other vinyl in here appears to be in really good condition. So I'm gonna step back off the stern where I was a minute ago. I do want to show you the carpeting back here near the swim boarding ladder is really the only area where it has weathered at all. Everything else looks to be in good condition still. There's those 25-inch diameter pontoons. Again, this is the 3 pontoon package, a Tritoon, and this is popular because that will help this boat perform a little bit more like a boat, a little bit less like a pontoon. It'll run a lot faster than a typical standard pontoon. So about all the wear on this one that I've noticed is all going to be in your vinyl decaling on your aluminum fencing around the exterior. Got a little bit of a indentation right here in this back corner area, and that's probably just from getting in and out of this dock set up right here, and then kind of marks along the sides. Honestly, that's part of the beauty of these pontoons is they're, you know, that you're not doing any structural damage to these if these get scratched. It's purely cosmetic, and it's not like their fiberglass counterparts. Walk back around the storage building. Docking lights, nav lights, and then up here on the front of each of your outer pontoons, you've got a small little ding on each of these corners from where that's got into something or gotten on a dock. And that's common. You're way up here above the water line. And then I'm gonna lower this camera just a little bit farther so I can show you that aluminum splash guard, that underskin, that actually also helps to create a little bit less drag whenever you're moving through the water, and helps out in your performance a little bit. So again, here's that vinyl decaling that's just kind of gotten torn, and that's actually the fencing underneath there. You've still got some adhesive from where that vinyl was, small little dent in there. And again, scratches in that decaling as you go around the exterior. This little white mark right here, that's probably from these PVC pipes that are basically around the cables that operate this lift, just from where it's gotten rubbed coming in and out of the slip here. But again, just marks in that decaling. A lot of this, even right here, this looks like they maybe even try to wax it, just didn't get it all off. To see, a lot of that's gonna come right off. That scratchy may even come right off as well. A lot of the same right here, if you can see that. I'm just wiping this with my finger. There's no trick to that or no illusion. Just giving a little wipe is all that was. Just to try to show you that it will clean off. That'll clean off, but you know, anywhere where the vinyl's been scratched and actually lost some of the decaling, that won't come off. And then a few more back here in this back port side corner. Again, similar right here. Now, some of this is probably where fuel has spilt over time. Your fuel fill is right above that, so that's probably where it's stained that vinyl. So these water lines going down, those might not come off, but you can see this kind of, it's almost like a little bit of oxidation just rubbed right off. Or again, they may have attempted to wax the side, just didn't get all the wax off. So that's going to wrap things up for us today with this 2007 Bennington 2577 RFS Tritoon for sale here on Lake Loudon section of the Tennessee River. Again, I'll direct you to our website one last time for more information, to find the current asking price. We don't hide that. We just don't mention them in the video tours because they'll change until the boat's sold. Once you make it there, you'll see some photographs of this on. You'll see the asking price right there. You'll be able to click into the ad, see full list of features on this one. All of our contact info will be all over that page. You can reach out to us by text, by email, or by phone. If you ever call us on the phone and get our voicemail and want to return phone call, just please leave a detailed message. Let me know what listing you're looking at, what questions you have, and as soon as I get back in cell phone range, I'll return your call and can answer all those questions for you. You also see the yournewboat.com logo pop up in the top right hand corner of the page, and that is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll be one of the first to be notified of new inventory hitting our area. And again, that's, you just click on that. That'll put you on the YouTube content or subscription list. Any new video that posts of a new listing, you'll get notified, and you'll be one of the first ones to see it hitting the market and coming available. Thank you again for joining us.